Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase creatine absorption. First, always opt for creatine monohydrate, as it is the most researched and effective form available. Begin your regimen with a loading phase, consuming 20 grams of creatine daily, split into 4 5-gram doses for 5 to 7 days. This saturates your muscle stores quickly. Following this, transition to a maintenance phase, taking 3 to 5 grams daily to keep your levels elevated. To significantly enhance creatine absorption, pair it with simple carbohydrates. When you consume creatine alongside 50 to 100 grams of high glycemic carbs, like fruit juice or dextrose, your body releases insulin. This insulin spike acts as a transport mechanism, effectively shuttling more creatine into your muscle cells. This strategy maximizes the amount of creatine your muscles can store, leading to better performance benefits. Timing your creatine intake can also make a difference. While it can be taken any time, consuming it post-workout is often recommended, as your muscles are more receptive to nutrient uptake. Crucially, maintaining excellent hydration is vital for creatine to work effectively. Creatine draws water into your muscle cells, so aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to support this process and prevent dehydration. Consistency is key for maximizing creatine benefits. Make it a daily habit, even on rest days, to keep your muscle stores saturated. For those who find mixing challenging, consider micronized creatine, which dissolves more easily in liquids. Remember, a well-absorbed creatine regimen supports your fitness goals effectively. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.